Oh, yeah. I found a baby bird. Wait, no, some of my friends found a baby bird. Now, where is it? Right there. You can't see it. Right there. Tell me what type of bird it is.
Robin.
Robin? People can't see it. Right here.
Your mom came out and
Well, see, you guys? It's a robin, right? Say hello to YouTube. Hello.
Hey, baby, can you hand me that? Oh.
Is that? What is that? What are you guys doing?
I'm putting it back out.
Why?
Because it has to live in the wild.
Oh, yeah.
Do that.
We're helping nature! Da-da-da-da! Achievement 1. Achievement 1. Nothing. Keep it in that bucket!
Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.